Good morning, guys. It is blizzardy and oddly enough warm, but blizzardy. I'm heading to Breakfast Club. I was hoping you guys could come hang with. Oh, I gotta start chipping away at my I've let my tab here run really high, so I'm at the stage where I'm paying cash. So if you have a few hours work for me out there, let me know. I've got a tab to pay off. Hey, Will. No one's here. Yeah. Nobody came?
How many you want?
Just one. Yeah, nobody came?
Somebody came, but didn't come.
Rick?
Rick, no.
Oh, okay. It's warm out. It's not cold, at least. Ken's been sick all week. That's why I haven't seen Ken all week for the last 2 weeks. Him and his whole family's been sick. I think they got corona. That's why they've 2 weeks. Ken, remember Ken, blue truck? Yeah, the little blue truck. He hasn't. We haven't seen him for 2 weeks. So I think some of his family got COVID and he had to isolate. Yeah, because he's got lots of kids, grandkids and stuff. The second he comes back, though, I've got work. I know he likes my work. Man, that wind, it's blowing.
Yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow. Good to see ya. That was James and Alice across the road. You see them? They're probably heading home. They went out for a morning walk. Oh, that Alice is one of my favorite four-legged friends. She's so gentle and pretty. Look at all the snow fronts here, plastered with snow. Believe it or not, this is only our third snowfall of the year. Our third major snowfall of the year. This air conditioner at this place is on. It's going full blast. All winter, full blast. What are they hiding in there? I think it's probably bodies. The only reason that you'd keep a place cooled that much is to preserve something. I imagine it's bodies. Who runs an air conditioner all fucking winter? Unless you're trying to keep something frozen. Bodies. Up there you see the clouds coming. That is a storm front, it looks like. A cloud front. Thanks for coming and hanging with me, guys. I appreciate it. a lot of times when I'm out filming alone, yeah, it gets a little lonely sometimes. When I don't really have anyone to film with, or I don't really have anything to anyone to shoot with, it does get lonely. But I take heart in the fact that I know you're watching. I take heart in the fact that I know you watched my last video, and I really, really appreciate the fact that I know you're going to watch my next video. It means a lot. Oh, hey, check this out. This church here, Holy Trinity, one day on a sunny day, we're going to get in there and get a shot of all the stained glass windows in there. Beautiful, beautiful chapel. I'm not hugely religious by any stretch of the imagination, but I can definitely respect and appreciate the stained glassness. Hey, Chris.
Hi, Dwayne.
Leave a like.
Subscribe.
How are ya?
Good.
It's not actually cold, it's just windy. You know, it's only -2, right?
Yeah, that's the way.
It's just a wind. Hey, Mike, how are ya? Yeah, it's nice out, eh? Like, considering it's a blizzard, it's warm. Weird, eh? A warm blizzard. Yeah, that's what I heard. Manitoba originally. So we're used to blizzards, like actually blizzards.
Cedar.
Yeah.
That's a cedar. You get two. You
Technically.
won't show up on Monday either.
Did Eddie go see his mom? No, not on that day. That was nice you offered.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Are you not over tomorrow?
God.
Can I get one more copy? What about family?
I'll
day?
send it to you later.
We're open every day. All right, have a good day.
Hi, Patrick.
Hi.
Thank you.
Dwayne,
Mm-hmm.
how are you?
Good. Was that Jamie Simpson that just walked off in the hoodie? The one that went around the corner. He was just.
I'm not sure.
I'll see if I see him tomorrow. It's good to see. He looks like a bum. Is what's his name coming today?
Jesse?
Yeah,
I don't know. Why?
I like him.
Yeah.
He's good company. I like how he has good talks.
Oh, yeah.
A little crazy sometimes, but good talks.
Pretty much.
See what I mean? Like, it's windy, yeah, but it's not even cold.
Whoa.
Should have asked Mike for a smoke. Oh, well. Oh, maybe Gay Mike will have one. God bless little Gay Mike. wonder if little Michelle will make it.
I wonder too.
Her van doors should be open. It's only -4, like I say. Or -2. Yeah. Weird, eh? A warm blizzard. That's what it is, a warm blizzard. Look at this, a warm blizzard. Is that weird or what?
What?
A warm blizzard.
How is it warm? It's cold.
No, it's -2. It's only -2.
We're not allowed to sit in there. Are we?
No, they wouldn't let us. I hope Michelle can make it, otherwise I'm walking home in all this.
Hey, Chris, in about 20 minutes, grab me a coffee.
Uh.
I'm gonna go get this bottle again.
For some reason, the other day they gave me nacho cheese, but no chips.
Oh.
So I had nothing to
Still, the
dip it
cheese
in.
is good though. At least you have
But
something.
yeah, I'm saving the cheese.
Yeah.
I'm gonna save it for when I got my own chips or
Nice.
veggies.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
But yeah, I opened it's like nacho cheese. Why'd they give me nacho cheese? They're trying to tease me.
What was the meal?
Just the porridge, the orange and apple, and then the cheese thing.
Wow.
What was?
The live breakfast, they gave me, it was an odd one, because like I said, it's porridge,
Yeah.
juice, and orange, and your breakfast sandwich, and then it had nacho cheese for some reason.
Well, it's not your
Nacho cheese.
Right?
I love me some nacho cheese.
That would go good on a
nacho
Swiss cheese.
I think I just saw Jamie Simpson dressed like a bum. That's good to see. He had torn jeans and ripped pants.
Inside my finger.
Oh, I want to walk around with you.
Banana.
Crap, I should have got a smoke off him.
Again.
Again, yep.
Missing out, Dwayne. What's up?
I know. He's not leaving that there, is he?
What?
That.
Oh, no, because I had to pick up him up here last time.
Jesse ain't coming. He doesn't love us no more.
Saturday today.
Yeah. Today's the best time to catch them. Wonder how long it is before he insults someone in there. Mike insults one of the vendors. Oh, they got way better stuff than this in Alberta. Get out of my shop. God bless him. There's Paul.
I'm kind of wondering if I should get pepperette sticks.
I don't know. Do you need him? Or do you just want them?
I just want to eat them.
You just want them?
They're good. They're
Yeah?
delicious. They're nutritious.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how nutritious they are, but they are
That
probably,
pepper,
they're probably good. And they taste good, I know that.
yeah.
Save me some of that? Ah, awesome. Uh-oh. Oh, it worked. Good.
They suck in the winter.
Mm-hmm.
You
Thanks.
have to get the full torch one. They're good for wind.
I'm
they're
always
good-
bad. I always burn myself. I'm so bad with those torch lights. Oh yeah, I always burn myself.
Okay,
What's that?
I'm gonna get some pepperettes.
Ah, you couldn't hold out, eh?
Nope.
You dropped something.
I get pepperettes.
Hey, you dropped your...
Ooh, your Bluetooth.
You don't want to lose that.
My little talking device. What's in my mind?
I thought it was my conscience, but it was someone calling me. What's
There's
that?
stuff on this side too?
Yeah, there's meats in here.
Meats and cheeses, I think.
Be right back.
Yeah. Leave a like. Yeah, I don't find it cold. It's just
The wind
windy.
always makes it
Yeah.
cold.
Like I say, it's only -3, I think, or 5. Like it's not that low. Probably feels like -8, 9. Look at the wind, eh? Look at the snow. Looks like a blizzard. It wasn't even that blowy when I was coming
Yeah,
down
my
this
whole
morning.
patio's covered and the windows are covered.
No squirrel today running across the line. That's crazy. The blizzard of 99. Wait, what year is this? The blizzard of 2022.
22.
The blizzard of 22. Awesome. Ed made it. This is awesome. Thank you. Don't smoke, kids. He's dancing. He must be high. I'm glad he made it. Hey, Ed. I'm so glad you made it, buddy. Get in out of the wind.
Very sweet day, but a better day today.
I'm glad you made it.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks, we agree on something.
I'll
I guess nobody has a smoke, I guess. Eh?
give you this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, thank you. This you two guys?
Chris is in buying pepperoni sticks for us.
Is he?
Yeah. He doesn't know it yet, though. But he's going to share them with Yeah, see?
They're out there. Got jerkies at least.
Ooh. They're just as good, right?
There are, I don't know. Haven't tried it yet.
Just as good.
Please, Chris, I need a couple bucks, eh? You still owe me anyway. Don't be cheap about it. Wednesday? No later?
I'll let you know.
Okay.
I gotta go see my daughter next weekend.
You do? Oh, that's good. That's good to hear.
That is.
It's bowling. I kind of messed up.
What
I ate
happened?
only one meal and then I got really, I don't know, it affected me a little bit. Went bowling, did good at bowling though, but starting to feel symptoms. I want to tell you the symptoms just felt kind of sick.
That's
I
a
should have
shame.
regular meals at regular intervals, eh?
Yeah. That's a
But-
shame.
But no, it did
I'm
good.
glad you had
Did
good-
122 and then 149 the second game.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's really a skill. I couldn't bowl like that.
No, it's just.
You've really advanced yourself there.
Oh, one of the times I rolled the ball let go and went backwards.
I
Which was
slipped on the
unreal.
wood once.
Yeah.
On that wood, yeah, I slipped once.
The ball went back. I don't know if I was going to go out here. My brother didn't sleep all night because of pain, so I just wanted to get some.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How you guys doing?
Hello.
Good. How are you?
I can't complain.
You got the
Everything
market
out of
open
my-
here, eh?
It's surprisingly warm, considering
Warming
it's a
up.
blizzard.
Warming up, so it's getting better. Okay, have a good day.
You too.
Same. What if someone's giving out free apple cider?
Not today, I don't think. Probably, maybe when the summer starts.
Really good.
Is it?
Yeah, jerky.
They didn't have pepperoni sticks.
No. Oh, they had a bigger, longer one.
Where would you get that?
In there.
Beef jerky?
Yeah.
How much is it?
$5. Or
It-
you get
It's the jerkiest of the beef.
4 bags for $20.
I'm not a beef jerky person. Are you?
Not really, no. I don't mind it. Like I like the chunky beef
That's
jerky
like a
ones.
cowboy thing. Eh?
No, but how many are a bag?
I'll give some to Trigger.
Of
Those, 4 of those?
Mm.
It's not that, $5.
No sign of Deanna?
No. She's such a lovely human.
Oh, yeah.
Great person. She's got such a big heart. Her and Melissa, they both have amazing hearts, eh?
How did Thursday go, Paul? Or Chris?
Good.
Very exciting.
Did you end up volunteering or just
I did.
quit?
No, he was there. He was hot chocolating all evening. It was
Oh,
good.
really?
Yeah.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Oregon, Paul.
Yeah.
The same glove almost.
Did you bring gloves?
Yeah,
You have gloves?
yeah.
Okay.
You got my gloves.
You got mine probably.
Oh boy.
Are you guys sharing gloves?
It's like sharing-
Not together.
I wear a left one, he wears a right one.
Otherwise, I'd be warmer.
You know what I mean? Glove and hand in hand in a glove.
Exactly. Yeah. Enough of your day jokes.
Tomorrow is going to be nice, I hear.
Is it?
Yeah. I hear this. By Wednesday it's going to be plus something
But that was good dinner last night.
if we're good.
I mixed the
What dinner was
salad
at
ready
the
with chili.
Southbridge?
Chili.
Was it? Oh.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Chili and bread, and they had
all the toppings.
muffins
Oh,
too.
Cool.
I give one to Jesse. You give me the extra one, I give it one to Jesse.
Good. I ran off with the bowl of muffins.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I tried to put them in the baby basket, but it was
Jesse
too big.
goes to the Southbridge? Cool.
My earpiece drops off.
I thought it was constant wind, but it's just a gust of wind comes along when I walk
I'm
down
gonna
the
go
road.
for
It's
something.
Mhm.
usually not that bad.
See, I don't stand up this freaking cold. If it was a nicer day,
Yeah, I think once Michelle gets here, I'm gonna get going.
Let's do it Tuesday.
Yeah.
Oh my God, welcome to the market.
Oh, look who shows up.
I hate doing the market, did I tell you that?
Well, you have to cut back on your other hours somewhere else to fit in here, right?
Yeah. You know what I hate about this? All I do is walk around like a lasso. Like, I got nothing. Honestly, I hate it. I like doing the events and what have you, but
Well,
Why do you hate it?
$25 an hour, right?
no minimum wage.
Really? You get, because of your city, if you got this job, you're getting paid that, you're doing this, you get paid that, right?
You like window shopping?
I don't mind it.
Buying, yeah.
Well, yeah, but if you're anticipating buying, like you got
Watch the
checks
rich
coming.
people buy stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Get to talk to folks, get to know what's going on in the community, get to,
That's probably the.
So you be rude, anyone that got money is rich. I think I just have enough change in.
Niagara Strong.
Let me
What's
get
that?
my
Is
case
that
of
a
Papa
group or-
Shoppers.
A what?
sale.
Niagara Strong, what's that?
Niagara Strong, it's an anti-bullying campaign. They it started out in St. Catharines by one of the local groups. So I bought one of the patches just
That's
to
alright. Yeah,
just
no,
to
I didn't
show.
know what it was. So it's,
Yeah.
Have a good weekend.
I thought it was
See you on
because
Tuesday.
I know it's St. Catharines. They've got a group.
I wear this for a it's a stable camera platform for my my camera.
Yeah. So if you see something, you just
I run a small YouTube channel here in town.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Which one? I'm not.
It's called Dwayne Scriven. That's my name, Dwayne Scriven. DWAYNE SCRIVEN.
Hey, Chris.
Check it out. I got about 1,200 videos. A lot of videos of Welland.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
I'm up to about 1,000 subscribers now, so
Are you?
yeah, I'm getting there.
Gross.
Hey, your scarf! Your scarf!
Will they be open Monday for the breakfast?
Probably.
Will it be buses, I wonder, though?
Monday, yeah.
City
No?
Welland buses.
Holidays.
Oh, it might be a holiday.
The carpet, they put it away. Welcome to the
Family
city.
Day. Who invented that?
What's that?
Who invented Family Day?
Family Day, that's from Alberta, from Calgary. We invented that. We have a
Okay.
heritage, we had a heritage fund
Oh, yeah.
until your Trudeau stole our money. But we
Yeah,
had
like the conservative or the liberals, man.
In Alberta, we hate fucking liberals.
I know.
We'll
I'm
fucking
being
run 'em
sarcastic.
over
I'm
if
being
we see 'em.
sorry. Yeah, I'm joking when I say it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna walk around.
Have a great day.
Have a great
What's your
day.
name?
I'm Keith.
Keith, I'm Dwayne.
Nice to meet you. I'm Ed.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Paul's gone. Paul headed out. And it turns out Jesse didn't show up.
No?
No. And I don't think Michelle's coming.
No?
Chris is coming back, right?
Yeah, he just wanted to go get me a coffee.
Oh,
It's not near 8:30 yet, is it?
no. Maybe 8. Maybe 8. Remember the church bells haven't gone.
Oh, that's right. 7:54. Yeah. I'm always cheered up when Jesse comes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cute. You want a washroom? Walk to the fucking terminal.
John, you got gloves? Yeah, okay. I just make sure you got gloves.
But, you know, leave it like,
Yeah.
subscribe.
I just want to make sure he has gloves. Sometimes he wanders around with no gloves at all.
Surprised you made it, Chris. Cold winter day.
I'm here every morning.
I walked by your place, Ed, and I took a peek as I walked by just to see if you were,
Oh, yeah.
if I could see ya.
Yeah, we- Dia.
Open arms. I think I might know because it's extended from Valley Day.
Yeah.
So what we have to do is go to NDP.
NDP, yeah.
Go to NDP, folks. Orange.
NDP is good.
They're the best.
I guess no Jesse today.
No,
Opposite day. Eddie showed up, no Jesse.
no Jesse. It's still sort of early. Like I say, the church bells haven't rung 8.
It will be.
Oh, no, but they ring every 8 o'clock. Yeah, that's how we know it's 8. Oh, here comes Catherine.
Last show up on Thursday.
There's about 40 people.
No, it wasn't that bad.
Nice, we got banana today.
You know, something better.
Yeah. Holy fuck, you guys got no gloves?
I got gloves. Stay warm today.
Hey, one of you guys want a pair of gloves?
Sweet, thank you.
Yeah, you gotta have gloves. You need a pair? Got a spare pair. I think both of them are there, are they? Oh no, I might have lost one. No, here it is.
Who is that?
Ah, there you go.
boss.
Yeah, no problem. It's frickin' cold, guys. Stay warm, eh?
Get an extra pair.
I don't. I just gave away 2.
These are fishes off now.
Yeah, yeah.
Want to look around with me inside the thing?
About where?
Market Square?
I'm good.
I don't. I'm gonna wait for Catherine.
I don't usually take a shot. I'm saving money for the Saturday, right? They have good stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
Good jerky's good.
Homemade.
Homemade beef jerky.
Homemade beef jerky's good.
It is.
I wish I knew how to make it.
Smoker, and you gotta get something on. Here comes Michelle.
A dehydrator?
Yeah, dehydrator.
Yeah.
If you want to put sauce, like hot sauce,
Yeah.
you make a spicy jerky.
Can you do that?
You can.
Ah, that'd be so
you can
good.
put like jerk chicken sauce in it.
That would be so good.
I think that one. It's a Saturday morning, Dwayne.
It is.
Good, you came for breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Like yesterday, like it was like boring, kind of boring yesterday.
It was so cold.
Like, Jesse and and I think Paul was here.
Paul showed up too?
Yeah, and Tangway.
Nice.
And he just left.
Hey, one of you guys got smokes? Can I beg a smoke off you? Thanks, man.
Good smoke too.
Nice. It's not even all that super cold, it's the wind. It's fucking wind burning through you.
Look, man, empty my pocket.
There's one, there's one.
What, where?
Tip of one hanging right out. Perfect.
There it is, yeah,
Perfect,
yeah.
perfect. Thanks, man. You don't have a light. Do you have a light?
I don't have a light.
You have a light, Chris? All right.
No, only Chris.
I know. Oh, wonderful. Trusty torch.
When's that race start, by the way?
2 or 2:30? I think 2, yeah.
Is that this Sunday or next Sunday?
This Sunday. Tomorrow. It's going to be so good. It's the first super track. Super speedway track race.
I wonder if the chips is on shelf.
It should be good.
Yeah, the chips. There's not even one.
That's what I'm buying. I'm buying a whole crap load of chips. I got 15 bucks saved. I got 15 bucks and then I got about 10 or 15 in my account.
Yeah.
So I got it.
Sell where?
We'll go to No Frills or Walmart.
Shoppers.
Oh.
You want those 99 cents?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I can't afford Doritos anymore. It's $5.
Yeah. Or the 2 for $8. They got 2 for $8.
2 for 8. Yeah, it used to be like 2 for 7.
Mm-hmm. I know.
Now it's like, pop it up.
Mm-hmm.
So I get just 99 cents.
Mm-hmm.
I think the pop is on 2 for 6 again.
Mm-hmm.
Just had the flyer.
Yeah, I got $3.30. I think it's $3.38 for tax for $2.99.
Sorry for the smoke. Sorry.
It doesn't make me either.
I try not to blow it in their faces though, right? Or they're coming out the door and there I am. Blow it out right in their
Remember,
faces.
leave a like, subscribe to the Chris channel.
Yeah. Chris Vlogs.
Shadow Vlog.
Shadow Vlogs.
I have everything shadow and we'll eat yours so no, I'm kidding.
Nice, nice. Well, Michelle's here, guys. I think I'm gonna run.
Remember, leave a like.
Last drag?
Sure. Thank you.
All right. Hey, can you make sure this garbage gets away?
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day, guys. Uh-oh. Let's not stay. It's too cold. I'll come back and grab a meal for. All right, let me grab a one for Tammy and we're out of here. We might have to go pick up, I don't know. We got to discuss it. Hi, it's too cold to wait.
Yeah, no problem.
Can I grab one for Tammy? I'm out of here.
You guys like bananas?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, you wouldn't have a spare pair of gloves, would you? I gave 2 pairs away this morning.
Here, let me look. Here's some bananas.
those two poor meth heads, they're wandering around. Both of them have no gloves on. They got their punk. They got punk. No, he had gloves, oddly enough. But these other two, they got puncture marks and infections on their hands, and so I gave them away.
Two of the volunteers drove in from Fort Erie, so you guys are crazy. They said it was bad.
Oh, God bless them.
They just told us that they were coming.
Oh, wonderful. I'll keep. Can I take them both? Because I give them away. I always give extra ones I have away, and I'm sort of getting known for it. Yeah, that'd be great.
We've been throwing a bonus hat for it with the maple leaf on it.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
You know the sad thing is,
Yeah.
like, I'm afraid to wear a flag anymore because then they think you're supporting the truckers, and I really can't support those guys because they carried it too far.
They went overboard, eh?
They should have done a certain thing and then just stood back, but you can't hold up a whole city. And the bridge was insane.
Yeah.
Hundreds of millions of dollars.
I saw that.
What you could have done was like most picket lines, you slow people down for 5 minutes every hour, and then you let you go.
And then you let it
5
go.
minutes and let you go. You don't
No.
cut off the whole bridge.
Can I trouble you for the garbage for that?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you,
guys
thank you.
say hi.
See you later, Patrick. So cold. See you, Chris. See you, Ed. Subscribe. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It was so cold. Actually, I shouldn't say that. It's not cold, it's just windy, which really isn't making it really hangoutable, as you could see. But I'm glad you managed to show up and watch, and I'm glad for that I was able to spend a little time with you guys. Catch you on the next one. Love you all. See you guys later.